Assalamualaikum students, how are all of you? I am Miss Nausheen Hassan, teacher of class 4, and I will teach you English grammar. That all of you are fine, and I am giving you the first lecture of Monday, and the date is 22nd of June 2020. Now I am showing you the book of English grammar and the copy in which you have to do the work. The book is is green in color and the copy is red in color. Okay, then you have to open the book, and the first page is of index. There are 3 columns in index. The first one is already filled with topics, and you have to mention the date. Whenever any topic you will do on that day, you have to mention the date also, and when your teacher will see it, she will sign over there, and the rest of the part is for parents. Now open page number 1. It is parts of a speech. The names of the words used in the sentences are called parts of a speech. In any sentence, the words which are given over there are called parts of a speech, and there are 8 parts of a speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now today in this page we will discuss noun and pronoun. As all of you have learned previously about noun, what are nouns? Noun is the name of person, place, animals or things. All of you know it very well. Here the definition is also given and the example is also given over there in your book. For example, house, chair, Lahore, boy, fever, etc. And the definition of pronoun is: the pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. It is used to avoid the repetition of the same word. We will not use the same word again and again in a sentence, so we will use pronoun instead of a noun. So the example of pronoun is he, she, it, you, we, they, etc. Now the things, the objects all around us are called things, and the object which we can see, hear, smell, touch or taste, all of that belongs to the things. Now we move to page number 2. In this page we have exercise, and we have 20 sentences here. I will do for you 10 sentences, and the rest of the 10 sentences you have to do by yourself. So here we are beginning, we are starting the exercise. In the first sentence is he is wearing a trouser. So trouser is noun in this sentence. The second one is you saw many deer in the zoo. Deer and zoo is the noun in this sentence. You have to just underline the words which are noun in these sentences, and you have to underline the words with blue pencil color. Okay, so just keep it in your minds. You have to underline the words with blue pencil colors. You only have to underline that words which is noun in these sentences. The third one is I have finished my meal. Meal is the noun in this sentence. The fourth one is you must not make friendship with bad boys. Friendship and boys are noun. Number 5, he has many works to do. Works are the noun in this sentence. 6th is that cattle are grazing in the field. Cattle and field is the noun. 7th is he is weak in mathematics. Mathematics is the noun. 8th one is I have lost my spectacle. Spectacle is the noun. 9th one is the news is very good. News is the noun. And the 10th one is measles is a dangerous disease. Measles and disease is the noun. So thank you. I wish all of you best of luck, and see you all in the next class. So hopefully you have enjoyed the class, today's class. Okay, thank you.